Hey, what's up guys? Alex here from technoclass.com, and woo! Am I ever so excited to tell you about this product that we have right here. This is a brand new, extremely affordable 1440p monitor. Yes, it is higher resolution than 1080p. And how much is it gonna cost? Well, it's only 11,500 pesos. Yes, indeed, for under 12,000 pesos. This is a quad HD display, and it's 144hz FreeSync VA, and thin bezels, everything you need for 11,500. Holy crap! This is the best bang for buck high resolution monitor out there. This is 27 inches. And I know guys, it's in Chinese, but I got you covered there because I have Google Translate. It says right there, ultra thin borderless LCD monitor. And you can see right here, LED backlight, filter Blu-ray, so Blu-ray filter, energy saving, lead-free environmental. Ha! This is from Bezel Technologies and also Next Technologies from Lazada. We're gonna unbox it right now. We'll see you guys in just a bit. All right, let's check out what we have here. We have a bunch of cables, lots of cables here. And we have tape right on the styrofoam so it doesn't open the actual monitor here. And you can even turn this around. It's to see that there's nothing on the bottom side. So this is a much safer unboxing experience because the styrofoams are taped together. They won't budge, they won't come off. And voila. All right, so let's have a quick recap of what's inside the box here. We have the nice addition, the U-Green DisplayPort cable, very nice, nice brand there. We have the another DVI cable, a DisplayPort cable right here from the brand. We have the power adapter, the power brick. We have the power cable, as you can see right here. And then we have an HDMI cable. Oh, so many cables included. And then we have the backing stand here, and you have to remove this sticker thing to get to the screw holes over there that mounts it to the back of the monitor right there. And we have the feet that are colored black. Then, like I said, the back is colored red. And these are actually metal parts, so that's very, very nice, very sturdy. They do have a rubber on their bottoms, so yeah, very, very sturdy mounting solution here. We're gonna start building this right now. This is relatively much easier than the 1080p bezel monitor here previously. So very, very thankful that the screwing process is much less painful now. Oh yeah, oh yeah, nice and tight. Ooh, that butt is tight. Very easy to mounting right there. Major, huge improvement over the previous 1080p 144 from Bezel. And look at this, sturdy butt right here, sturdy legs. Nice. So let's put this on the table. See what it looks like. Whoo, yeah. Oh, look at that, sturdy legs. Love that in a monitor. And here is the big reveal. Ah, yes, the peeling off. Oh, that is a nice matte surface. Yeah, very clean. Put on the sticker here. There we go. All right, so let's check out the parts of the back here. We have the Bezel logo right there. We have a very nice, very thin part over here. That's just basically the display area. This is where the electronics go. We have the control buttons right here, M, up, down. And then we have a Kensington lock over here. That's crazy. We have apparently speaker grills. I don't know if this thing actually has any speakers, but that's a good bonus feature because a lot of budget monitors do not have speakers. We have ventilation holes over here. We have a nice red tramp stamp over here. I've been using a lot of the female reference here. We have her base and legs here, very sturdy metallic base. And then we have a sticker on top of the screw hole so it doesn't, look ugly. And then of course you can route your cables over here. So we have audio for the speaker. That's the audio port, display port, one HDMI, one DVI, and one power. So one of each, DVI, HDMI, and display port. So that's kind of good because a lot of people want the different input methods. And in front here, as you can see, no branding, very, very nice. The bezels are very thin, but I can see where the actual display starts and ends. It looks nice. It doesn't look very gamery. It looks actually very subdued, in fact. And of course, that's always nice because you can do whatever you want with the build or the design here. You can see right there. So let's check it out. Let's turn it on and see what it does. Whoo! All right, boys and girls. So look at this guy. So this started out already booted into a 1440p by default resolution, and all I had to do was change the graphics settings to 144 Hz. So what are we running right now? Well, we're running at 1440p, as you can see, recommended native resolution. And if I go to advanced, you can see 2560 by 1440, 144 Hz, 8-bit, of course, RGB, non-HDR, of course, because, well, this is just a non-HDR display. And I picked the wallpaper for you guys because I know you like things that are colorful, and I generally have a black background, a black wallpaper. So there you go. You can see a little bit of the color gamut of this display. A nice, beautiful display, 1440p, 144 Hz. And this is just straight out of the box. Obviously, you're not going to see this at in 144 Hz. But to me, this is holy god dang smooth. Okay, so check out the menus here. We have brightness, contrast. Looks like we're at 50. 50 eco is, let's set it to standard here. And then others, okay, display size full screen, and turn on low blue light filter, and overdrive is already on by default. Overdrive is the one that you need for, making the response faster. And then we're gonna turn on FreeSync right now, boom. And that should give us G-Sync compatibility, and that's what we need to test right now. So, enable G-Sync compatible full windowed and full screen mode. Enable settings for the selected display panel. That is this one right here. Enable, and then apply. Oh, yes. 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 We are fully G-Sync compatible, boys. Woo! That's so smooth. Oh my god. 1440p G-Sync at 11,500. Oh, this is so good. By the way, the monitor unfortunately does not have any speakers, so I've put in a JBL portable speaker right here, plugged it into the speaker jack. All right, so here we are again. This is, like I said, the Bezel 1440p 144 Hz monitor. Right now it's at G-Sync. So 144 Hz G-Sync, also FreeSync compatible for AMD users. And we're mirrored it to the TV I have right here, or my monitor right here, which is a 4K 60 Hz. But right now, since it's mirrored, it's running at 1440p 60 Hz. No G-Sync, no FreeSync, no V-Sync. So I want to show you the difference between a high refresh rate monitor at 144 Hz, more than 2 times the refresh rate over a 60 Hz monitor. If you remember correctly, we did that with the previous Bezel 1080p 144 Hz monitor using FreeSync with an AMD graphics card. Right now, we're using a NVIDIA graphics card, and we're using G-Sync. So I want to show you the difference between no sync, 60 Hz, and G-Sync 144 in slow motion. Ooh. Welcome to the smoothness right here, boys. Holy crap, this game looks good. I mean, this monitor looks good on this game. I have to admit, the 1440p resolution does a lot for making this game so, and this game just looks so good at 1440p. So we're currently running G-Sync 144hz. Chickens! Kill the chickens! Almost hit one. Oh, that's so nice. Alright guys, so we are about to be done with this video. I really do like this monitor. 1440p, 144hz, G-Sync capable as well. So amazing that this guy can do that. For 11,500 pesos, you know? Okay, aren't you just like really impressed by that price right there? And look at the quality of this display. The colors are nice, resolution is nice. I don't see any ghosting so much. Actually very nice in that scenario. And the pixel density is blowing my mind. Look at that. So wow, amazing for 11,500. I think this is way, obviously for the price, this is way better than the 1080p variant. But not just that, the amount of quality of the display in terms of color quality and, you know, design wise, the base is so much more solid, easier to build, and I really like the feature set, including the cable management hole, the OSD, the on-screen display is better as well. The selection supports is better as well. Yeah, this is an overall like 200-300% improvement over the previous budget, already super affordable, 11,500 1080p 144hz. But for that same amount of money, you can get this. I have absolutely no doubt right now that this is the best monitor you can buy for the money. Ooh, look at that drift right there. For 11,500, that equates to around, I want to say $215 or something like that. But yeah, there you go. Alex from technoclass.com here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you check out this, the Bezel 1440p 144hz. I really do like it. And I'll see you guys next time.